This heartbreaking photo shows 9-year-old Annistyn Rackley clutching her favorite little doll, she named her Mama, while sheltering in a bathtub with her little sisters just minutes before she died when a tornado ripped through her home in Missouri.
That young victim's aunt, Sandra Hooker, joins us right now from Missouri. Sandra, good morning to you.
Good morning.
We are so sorry for the loss in your family. What happened?
We knew that there were going to be, storms that night, and Megan and I had spoken earlier about where their safe spot was going to be in their new house. And about 7:23, I texted her and told her that the storms were probably 15 minutes away to get prepared.
Mm-hmm.
And she texted back that they were in the bathroom. And I texted and told her that the sirens in Caruthersville is about 10 miles east of her new home were going off. And she asked me, were they continuous? And then the ones in town went off. And I said, no, they just went off. And that was the last I heard. She, sometime during this conversation, she Snapchatted that picture of the girls in the tub.
Yeah.
And so they were ready. They thought.
I know the house was splintered. The whole family was carried through the air. And unfortunately, Annistyn's body was found in a field. I don't know how a mother moves on from this. How's the family doing?
Well, as you probably know, Megan is in a hospital in Cape Girardeau, Missouri, fighting for her life. She has severe brain trauma and other injuries and lots of broken bones and deep, serious lacerations. And she has still been unresponsive. And I just ask everyone to pray that Megan will wake up and come back to us.
Yeah. Sandra, she'll definitely be in our prayers today. Can you tell us a little bit about little Annistyn?
I can tell you a lot about her. She was so outgoing and friendly and loving. She was creative and she liked to play, and she loved cheerleading, and she was part of a competitive cheer team. She loved to put on all the makeup and the outfits and do the stunts. She took gymnastics and could do the cartwheels and the back walkovers, and she just loved it. She loved to dance, and she was just so much fun to be around.
Well,
I have called her an angel among us. She was very brave. She had a rare liver disease, which required a lot of visits and to the doctors for checkups, and required lots of hospitalizations throughout her lifetime. But she never let that stop her, and her parents are such good parents, and Trey and Megan were so supportive of Annistyn and encouraging, and they encouraged her to live life with gusto to the fullest and not be held back by her liver disease.
I know the middle child, she had a broken vertebrae in her back, and she's going to undergo surgery today. So we will be praying for that whole family. Thank you for coming on. You're very brave to do this. We appreciate it, for telling your story so that we can all pray. We know that prayer works, and hopefully we can help raise some money for the family. A fundraising page has been set up for the family of Annistyn Rackley. You can go to foxandfriends.com to donate. Thank you so much, Sandra.
Sandra.
Thank you, and thank everyone for their prayers.
Yes, ma'am.
You got it. Every bit counts in these moments. We know that a lot of families are struggling right now, so if you could contribute, go to that Fox and Friends page.
After disasters, tragedies like this, we give a number. This many people died. That's just one of the people in that number.
It's hard to even say, I know, because 88 people are dead having similar stories, and it's, a week and a half away from Christmas. Really hard.
Any life is hard, but when it's a baby that has their full life ahead of them, it just hit you in a different
Well,
way.
imagine the mom who carried her child for 9 months and delivered it, and 2 months later, the baby, tragedy hits.
And that family took all the precautions. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to go to an interior room in your house. Usually it's the bathroom because it's small. They had the kids in the bathtub, and it
Best
not
time of
work
their
out.
life. They moved into a new home. She has
Yep.
3 beautiful children. Christmas is around the corner. It all changed in a
She's
second.
in surgery right now, probably
Little
not
girl.
even knowing, and the mom as well, probably not knowing exactly
I
all
know,
that has
I know,
happened.
I know.
She's been through a lot too.
We'll be praying for them all day.